Thank you for coming into our home at Farmers and Fishermen Purveyors. This is our seafood cut shop. This is a home of three important things. We do it with beautiful fish. We have great employee partners who are invested, who really want to do a great job for you. We use the best processes so that we can give fish to you as well as all of our other items in a safe and wholesome manner to your homes. Aaron, when you look at that black grouper, tell me what we're looking for when you're looking for quality. What are the things that you look for, sir?
Well, one of the first things I'll look for is firmness. He'll have a little give, but you want it to be firm. You don't want soft. Then I'll go to my gills. You want beautiful red gills. Then I'll go to my eyes. Good eyes for grouper.
Okay, and tell us how you're going to go ahead and fabricate this fish.
Okay, I'm going to fillet this fish. Then I'm going to skin it. Then I'm going to V-cut the bones out.
I'm here with Felina Kalinga. Felina and I have worked together since 1995.
That's right.
And Felina, as well as Aaron, run this room with the rest of the team. Felina, you're going to go ahead and portion the fish that Aaron has started with?
Absolutely. So I'm going to take just a little to edge it up so it have a nice little shape to it. And I'm just going to grab a 7-ounce.
And the story goes, when I was bringing Felina on board, and I had Felina and I had Aaron, one of my employee partners was concerned because I had too much talent to start with. And I said, Kurt, they're going to bump heads because they're both so strong. I said, look, think Dream Team, American Olympics, and together we'll have a gold medal team, and we're putting out beautiful fish. Aaron, you have one of our Arctic chars straight from Iceland. Can you go ahead and fabricate this fish down for us? Aaron, you have an American red snapper. How does she look to you?
Beautiful.
The whole key for us is supply chain. These are fish that are being caught on a day boat, comes right back, gets onto a truck, comes straight to us. We ice it, we fabricate it, and we send it to you. We have a lot of pride in servicing your needs. Thank you for supporting our efforts.